Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the Dost app version and granting any network and storage permissions it needs. Once done, make a quick backup of your current settings by exporting the configuration or taking screenshots, because you will revert if needed. Now open the app and navigate to Settings, then tap Web Options. This is where you will enable, disable, or tweak web behaviors. You're initiating the process immediately so you can test changes iteratively. You will now adjust the complex, middle settings, enable or restrict cookies and caching for performance versus privacy, and decide on third-party content rules. Next, set the default web engine, adjust request timeouts, and, if needed, override the user agent for compatibility. Then create granular domain rules for allow list or block list behavior and import any block lists you use. Make sure to apply each change one at a time. To finish, save your configuration and restart the Dost app to ensure new web options take effect. You should verify behavior on multiple test pages and note any regressions. If something breaks, restore the backup you made earlier and capture logs or screenshots to report. If problems persist, clear the app cache and reapply the settings. This often resolves stale preferences. Finally, document the working configuration so you can replicate it or roll back safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.